You see excess and shortage problems everywhere. A teacher hands out pencils. Giving 4 to each student leaves a stack of leftovers. Giving 5 to each student, she runs out. How many students? Or this, a coach hands out cones at practice. Giving 2 cones per kid leaves 12 cones in the bag. Giving 3 cones per kid leaves only 2. How many kids? Every one of these problems shares the same shape. 1 supply, 2 plans. One plan has leftover. The other plan runs short. The question is always the group count. Pause the video, try the pencils problem. Hint, what changes from plan A to plan B? Let's look at excess first. The teacher tries plan A. Give 4 pencils to each student. With 6 students, each gets 4. That uses 24 pencils. The supply is 28. 4 pencils are left over. The leftover is the excess. The supply is bigger than the plan needs. Now look at shortage. Same supply, 28 pencils. The teacher tries plan B. Give 5 pencils to each student. With 6 students, each wants 5. That needs 30. She has only 28. She is short by 2 pencils. The supply is smaller than the plan needs. Here is the trick. The 2 plans are connected. From plan A to plan B. Each student got 1 more pencil. The leftover 4 plus the shortage 2 equals 6. 6 is the swing. The swing tells you how many extra pencils were needed when you moved from plan A to plan B. The per student gap is 1 extra pencil, so the swing divided by the per student gap gives the number of students. 6 divided by 1 equals 6 students. When should you reach for this tool? 2 simple checks. 1. Are there 2 plans for the same supply? 2. Does one plan have leftover and the other have shortage? Both plans can also leave leftover. If both checks pass, add the leftover and the shortage. That is the swing. Divide by the per group gap. The answer is the number of groups. This works for pencils, cones, cookies, chairs, any sharing problem with 2 plans. This is the 2-plan bridge. If 2 plans share a supply and the per group amounts differ, then swing divided by the per group gap gives the number of groups. Look for the words. Giving K each leaves left over. Giving K plus 1 each comes up short. That is when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.